Hi guys, this is Shivadi. In this session, I'm going to explain one of the tricky interview question in JavaScript. That is, can JavaScript code read and write file to the file system? So generally we use any server-side technology like Java or Python or Spring Boot to process the file related. But technically it is possible. So answer is yes. By using the JavaScript, we can read and write file to the local file system. So I will explain within some snippet code so that it will easy for us to understand. So here we have the two input elements on the HTML page. One is the input type of file. So here you are going to upload the file. Second one is whatever the file you uploaded, that it is going to read using the JavaScript and then download that particular file into our local system. So let me go to the code and explain how we can achieve this. So if you look at here in the HTML page, we have two elements, one for the input type of file and ID we have given as a file input. Another one is download the uploaded file. Here it is a button. ID we have given as a save button, and once you click on this button, it automatically download the whatever the file you have uploaded. So by using the JavaScript, we are going to read that particular file and then create a new file that you can download. So this can be achieved using the JavaScript. Let's go ahead and see how we can implement in the JavaScript. So here we have the file input and save button. These elements we are going to get through the document.getElement by ID for file input and document.getElement by ID for save button. And then we are declaring a one variable, which is file content, which is going to use it to prepare the content, whatever we are going to read from the uploaded file. And after that, we have one listener we added on the file input. So which is file input dot add event listener. Whenever any change happens on this particular file input element, then it is going to trigger a callback function. Here we have the constant const, which is nothing but the file. So event dot target dot files of 0. It is going to take the first file. And then we are creating the object for the file reader. So here const reader equal to new file reader. And after that, on the reader, we are using the onload. And here we are triggering the function as a function, which basically go ahead and read this particular file, whatever we uploaded, and that is going to print to the console. So once this operation is performed, then we need to prepare a new file, and that file has to create the content, whatever we uploaded, which is nothing but the file content. So on the save button also, we are adding the listener, add event listener on the click. When the click event happens, then we are basically concatenating the existing whatever the content we read from the file. After that, we are appending with a comment, added the new comment, and then we are going to prepare the new blob object. So this new blob object, we are going to initialize with the file content and also what type of file it is. It is the plain text file. And once we have this modified blob object, then we need to prepare the file using this modified blob content. So for that, we are creating a temporary anchor element using the document.create element. We are preparing the download link. And then download link dot href, we are specifying URL dot create object URL using the modified blob. And then we are providing some name for this particular file, which is nothing but the download underscore file dot text. And that we are going to assign to download link dot download. And then once it basically download link dot click, it automatically downloads this particular file. Let's go ahead and see this within in the UI how it is going to behave. Now let me go ahead and upload the same file, which is nothing but the JS underscore file underscore read underscore write. Now upload it. Now if you go to the console, you can go to the developer tools. Then you can see here on the console, the file content it already prepared. And once I click on this particular download button, then it is able to download this particular file. And if I open this one, this is the same what I have explained. This is the same file what I explained the code. And at the end, you will see add a new content. So this is how you can use JavaScript to read and write the file to the local file system. Hope this concept is clear. Thanks for watching.